Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today I'm going to tell you why Flutter is the best option for your mobile app development. If you're thinking about building a simple app or a complex one, Flutter offers you immense possibilities and amazing features which you will not get anywhere else, and today I'll tell you why Flutter is best option for your mobile app development. So let's start with a quick overview of Flutter. So Flutter is basically given by Google. It's a framework, and here you can develop amazing apps for both the platforms, that is iOS and Android, using a single code. Flutter is built from Google's Dart language, and it is going really popular because popular companies like BMW and Alibaba use Flutter in their applications. So today let's see why Flutter is going to be the best option for your app development and how you can use it in amazing way. So first is single code base. So here you can use single code base. Your developer will just create one code and you can launch your application on both the devices, that is platforms of Apple as well as for Android, that is iOS or Android. So here you are saving your time and money because here you don't have to create different codes for both the platforms differently, and you are saving your money as well as your time. Next is hot reload. So Flutter's hot reload features is very effective when you have to develop an application or you have to solve the bugs. So here what happens, you don't have to restart the application again and again to see the changes in your application which you have made. So here you can make changes and you will instantly see those changes in your application, and this will help you a lot while fixing bugs. Next is customizable widgets. So here Flutter provides you pre-built widgets, and that too they are customizable. So here you can create amazing designs within a very quick amount of time. You will create amazing designs in a very less time. So here you will get amazing experience, amazing app. Your application will look good as compared to native apps, and you can build an amazing application with a cross-platform framework also, which will look like a native framework because here they provide you already built widgets that are customizable. Next is lower development cost. So here you are building application for both the devices, that is iOS and Android, and here you can build your application for both the platforms from a single code base. Means you are saving your money while wasting it to create codes for different platforms. A single application for both the platforms like it is for iOS or for Android. So you are saving your money here. Next is scalable backend with Firebase. So Flutter runs smoothly with Firebase, and Firebase is also provided by Google. So Firebase is amazing for your database, and this will work very greatly when you have Flutter as well as Firebase, because then your data can be stored in a very good way, and here you can also add real-time data if you have Firebase. So Flutter runs very smoothly with Firebase because Firebase is also provided by Google and Flutter is also provided by Google. So these were the key benefits, but let me tell you that Flutter is not only for mobile app development. You can create websites for desktops, or you can create also applications for your desktop using Flutter. So this huge variety gives Flutter a best option to choose when you are choosing your frameworks, because here you have a lot of variety. Now talking about the development cost. So if you want to build your application through Flutter, then the development cost will be between 16 lakhs to 18 lakhs and even more, depending upon the complexity of your application. It depends how complex you want your application to be. And now if you seriously want to build an application using Flutter or any other application, me and my team are here to help you out. You can reach out to us and we'll help you to make an amazing app in a reasonable cost. Our contact number is given in the description box. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit visit our website, which is linked in the description box. And if you have any doubt or any topic you would like us to cover next, please comment below. Thank you.